Sister Lina Fernandez. She is the founder and the director of Mother Trust. Sister Lina Fernandez belongs to the congregation of OSS, Opus Spiritus Sancti. They are also known as consecrated secular sisters. She has changed many lives. She has done wonderful work for the migrants who are struggling to reach their homes. Now I invite dear sister to share about my experience of working with the migrants during COVID-19 pandemic as a time of compassion and solidarity. Welcome, dear sister.
Good afternoon, everyone. How I started my work during COVID-19. I was working with Impact India, that is, those who are on the road, the destitutes, the homeless. We used to get phone calls and we used to go wherever they are and take them into a vehicle and give them new life. As we were working, suddenly COVID-19 began, the lockdown from 24th March, which was a great pandemic. It was a time of graceful because I got this opportunity to work with these migrants, with the poor, those who were in need of. Crisis bring solidarity and compassionate heart. Yes, the pandemic has revealed a vast sea of compassion and solidarity. I always remember and ponder Mother Teresa and Saint Francis of Assisi, who are my patron saints. During this COVID-19 lockdown, I was not so happy inside, felt to go and reach out the poor, those who are needy, but I didn't know how to go about. But this Impact India Consortium, a forum of 40 NGOs, who really took initiative, and we went forward to help these migrants, all those who were on the road. I started getting phone calls from Bangalore here and there. Sister, I'm here on the road. I have no food. I have no shelter. Where to go? Please help me to help us to reach our destination. It was really a painful moment that which I underwent within myself. And we didn't know where to go because there were 50, 100, 200, 300 per day. People used to come to us. And when we went to approach Archbishop, he freely and willingly gave us many shelters, many schools, and even some religious sisters, those who gave us their schools. And we were managing, and it was a great tough time for us to manage 100, 200 per day, taking their names, registering their details into Seva Sindhu app. It was not so easy. We had lack of volunteers to support us, but we helped them to reach their destinations by buses, train, flight, and other facilities we arranged. Through various persons, various people came to us, supported us, because it was not easy to give food 3 times for 200, 300 people. But many good souls, good people came to us and helped us to provide everything. There were also many poor children, infants, women, all those who were suffering all this time. worked tirelessly during COVID and helped them, gave them counseling, especially those who were they were frightened what to do, where to go next, and all were scared about this spreading COVID-19 because all we were in one roof, around 200, 300, we were told that need to keep social distance. But we were handling, and thank God, in our 10 shelter homes, we had no positive people, and we have reached their destiny. We arranged buses, trains, and through the help of BBMP, KSRTC, and many other government officers, those who helped us. I also experienced at this COVID-19, though some of us, we had money, I felt how dependent we are at that time. Though we had money, but we had nothing to eat. We need to go out and buy something and have to eat for ourselves and to help others. By working during COVID-19, I really felt happy, and it was a graceful time for me that God has given me. It happened because of love. Love has no boundary. It always flows. Yes, I love the poor that made me come out from my comfort zone and reach out them courageously. Though I had fear, but still I had hope in God, and God helped us to work courageously and to reach. We have uh, reached around 5,500 people to their destinations, and we thank God. I also thank everyone, those who gave me this opportunity to share my experience during COVID lockdown. Thank you.
Thank you, dear sister, for sparing your time and inspiring us through your valuable sharing. Thank you, sister.